a second connector mini handheld fan to replace the first one. As you all know, yesterday I told you my first one is broken, so I'm getting a second one to replace it. The fan is exactly the same, just except it'll be a second one here. There was 3 less minutes in stock, now there's only 2 left in stock. That's because my one has been ordered and it's coming tomorrow. So yeah, I'll have the fan by tomorrow. So yeah, when I make fan collection videos or videos of me running some handheld fans, I can actually run this new one. So yeah, just wanted to let you know that, guys, that I'm getting a new one from Amazon to replace the original one. And that's its price, £6.75. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.